Have you ever wondered how it would be to explore the ancient ruins of Mycenaean Greece? Imagine stepping back into a time when towering palaces, golden masks, and legendary heroes were more than just the stuff of myth and legend. Welcome to the world of Mycenaean Greece, a civilization that thrived during the Late Bronze Age, from around 1600 to 1100 BCE. Mycenaean Greece is often considered the birthplace of many elements we associate with classical Greek culture today: drama, poetry, philosophy, the arts, and even democracy. These are just a few of the many gifts this ancient civilization has bestowed upon the world. But what makes Mycenaean Greece particularly fascinating is its wealth of archaeological sites. Places like Mycenae, the namesake of this civilization, where you can explore the imposing Lion's Gate and the grandeur of the royal tombs, or Pylos, where the Palace of Nestor offers a glimpse into the opulence of Mycenaean palaces, or Tiryns with its massive Cyclopean walls, a testament to the architectural prowess of this Bronze Age civilization. Exploring these ancient ruins is more than just a thrilling adventure. It's a journey into our shared past, a chance to connect with the roots of our civilization. But as we tread these ancient paths, we must remember the importance of doing so in a sustainable manner. We are not just spectators, but stewards of our history. We must respect these sites, preserving them for future generations to explore and learn from. Sustainable exploration is about more than just minimizing our footprint. It's about understanding and appreciating the cultural and historical significance of these places. It's about contributing to the preservation and conservation efforts that help protect these sites. It's about recognizing our role in safeguarding our shared heritage. So, are you ready to embark on a sustainable exploration of Mycenaean Greece? Buckle up for a journey back in time. What does sustainable travel mean, you ask? Well, it's all about making simple decisions that reduce your negative impact on a destination. And why does this matter? Especially when we're talking about visiting ancient sites like Mycenaean Greece. Because these places hold the echoes of our past, and it's our responsibility to ensure they remain for future generations to explore and learn from. Consider this. Every step you take, every bit of waste you leave, can affect these ancient sites. Over time, the collective actions of thousands of visitors can lead to significant damage. So how can we travel more sustainably? Let's dive into some tips. First, respect the local customs and rules. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this is overlooked. Remember, you're a guest in these places. So, if a sign says, "Don't touch the ancient ruins," don't touch them. It's not just about preserving the physical structures. It's about respecting the cultural significance they hold. Second, think about waste. It's easy to forget about the trail of waste we can leave when we travel, but every piece of litter, every plastic bottle matters. Consider packing a reusable water bottle and bag, and don't forget to pick up after yourself. Leave no trace, as they say. Third, support local businesses. This is a fantastic way to contribute to the local economy and get a more authentic experience. Instead of dining at a global chain, why not try that family-run taverna? Or instead of buying souvenirs from a large retailer, how about supporting a local artisan? Not only will you get a unique keepsake, but you'll also be putting money directly into the hands of local people. And lastly, consider your mode of transportation. Can you walk or cycle instead of driving? Not only is this better for the environment, but it's also a great way to experience the locale more intimately. With these tips in mind, you can ensure your trip to Mycenaean Greece is not only enjoyable, but also respectful and responsible. Now, let's uncover the less-known treasures of Mycenaean Greece. Our first stop is the ancient city of Pylos, a place that has been inhabited since the Neolithic period. The Palace of Nestor, with its intricate frescoes and well-preserved clay tablets, offers a peek into the grandeur of this Bronze Age civilization. Pylos is easily accessible via a scenic bike ride from the modern town, allowing you to enjoy the stunning landscape while reducing your carbon footprint. Next, we journey to the archaeological site of Tiryns. This fortified palace complex, known for its Cyclopean walls, was once considered the work of mythical beings. The ruins of this Mycenaean city are a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Greeks. To get here sustainably, consider joining a group tour that uses eco-friendly transportation. Our third hidden gem is the Tholos tomb at Orchomenus. This beehive-shaped tomb, unlike the more famous treasury of Atreus, remains relatively undiscovered. Inside, you'll find intricately carved reliefs that illustrate the Mycenaeans' belief in the afterlife. To visit Orchomenus, opt for a local guide who can lead you on a leisurely hike through the surrounding countryside, offering a low-impact way to reach this historic site. Finally, we arrive at the lesser-known city of Medea. Nestled in the hills of Argolis, this ancient city offers panoramic views of the surrounding olive groves and vineyards. Medea's archaeological site, though smaller than its famous counterparts, is rich in history and free from the usual tourist crowds. To reach Medea, consider a combination of public transportation and walking, allowing you to take in the beauty of the Greek countryside while minimizing your environmental impact. These hidden gems of Mycenaean Greece are waiting for you. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Uncover these treasures sustainably, and you'll not only experience the rich history of this ancient civilization, but also contribute to preserving its beauty for future generations. Exploring ancient ruins can work up an appetite, but don't worry, Mycenaean Greece has you covered. When we talk about sustainable travel, one key aspect that often gets overlooked is the food. By choosing to eat local, you're not only getting a taste of the culture, you're also supporting local economies and reducing your carbon footprint. And when it comes to local cuisine, Mycenaean Greece offers a gastronomic journey back in time. Imagine this. It's around 1400 BC. You're a Mycenaean noble sitting down for a feast. What's on the menu? Well, let's delve into the delicious world of ancient Greek food. The Mycenaeans were a seafaring people, so it's no surprise that fish was a staple in their diet. Tuna, swordfish, and other seafood were often grilled or boiled, then flavored with olive oil and vinegar. And speaking of olive oil, this golden liquid was a culinary and cultural cornerstone, used in everything from cooking to religious ceremonies. Now let's talk about meat. The Mycenaeans raised pigs, sheep, and goats, and they hunted deer and boar. These meats were typically roasted or boiled, then seasoned with herbs like coriander, cumin, and saffron. And for a touch of sweetness, honey was the sweetener of choice, often used in cakes and other desserts. If you're wondering where to sample these ancient delights, many traditional Greek restaurants offer dishes inspired by historical recipes. In the Peloponnese region, for instance, you can find eateries serving hearty stews, honey-infused sweets, and of course, plenty of fresh seafood. But remember, it's not just about the food itself, but the act of sharing a meal. The Mycenaeans believed in the communal aspect of dining, a tradition that lives on in the vibrant Greek tavernas of today. Savoring local cuisine is an integral part of the travel experience. It's a delicious way to support local communities. As we wrap up our sustainable journey through Mycenaean Greece, let's remember the importance of respect and responsibility. In our voyage, we've unearthed the beauty of ancient ruins, discovered hidden gems off the beaten path, and tasted the mouth-watering delicacies of local Mycenaean cuisine. But the heart of our journey lies not in the places we've visited or the food we've savored, but in the respectful and responsible manner in which we've chosen to travel. Sustainable travel is not just a buzzword. It is a commitment, a promise we make to ourselves and to the world. It's about understanding that our actions, no matter how small they seem, have an impact. And it's about ensuring that the impact we leave behind is a positive one. Our journey through Mycenaean Greece is a testament to the fact that sustainable travel is not only possible, but also incredibly rewarding. By choosing to travel sustainably, we've managed to enrich our experiences, deepen our understanding of the world, and contribute positively to the places we've visited. We've explored the ancient ruins of Mycenae, not as mere tourists, but as respectful travelers mindful of our impact. We've discovered hidden attractions not by straying off the path and endangering the environment, but by seeking out sustainable alternatives. We've delighted in the local cuisine, not by indulging in overconsumption, but by supporting local businesses and respecting local customs. In doing so, we've not only enjoyed an incredible journey, but we've also played our part in preserving the beauty and integrity of these incredible destinations for future generations. Our journey doesn't end here. There are countless other destinations waiting to be explored sustainably, and with every journey we undertake, we have the opportunity to make a difference. If you enjoyed this journey through Mycenaean Greece and want to explore more such destinations sustainably, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember, every step you take can make a difference. Happy and responsible travels.